Radio altimeters are used only up to A. 2,500 feet, B. 3,000 feet, C. 250 feet, D. 300 feet. The correct answer is 2,500 feet. What is the frequency range of VHF? A. 30 MHz to 300 MHz, B. 30 Hz to 300 Hz, C. 30 kHz to 300 kHz, D. 30 MHz to 300 MHz. The correct answer is 30 MHz to 300 MHz. Aircraft equipment S operate at A. 350 Hz, B. 450 Hz, C. 400 Hz, D. 40 Hz. The correct answer is 400 Hz. Flight data recorder is also known as A. Orange box, B. Black box, C. Red box, D. Green box. The correct answer is black box. What is the full form of CAS? A. Constant airspeed, B. Continuous airspeed, C. Calibrated airspeed, D. Comparative airspeed. The correct answer is calibrated airspeed. Which of the following is the most frequently conducted check on an aircraft? A. Category C check, B. Category A check, C. Category B check, D. Category D check. The correct answer is Category A check. Which of the following bodies regulates civil aviation in India? A. DGCA, B. EASA, C. FAA, D. CASA. The correct answer is DGCA. Which of the following is not a part of the Big Five instruments? A. Altimeter, B. Airspeed indicator, C. Head-up display, D. Artificial horizon. The correct answer is head-up display. Which of the following is not a unit of measurement for airspeed? A. Kilometers per hour, B. Knots, C. Miles per hour, D. Pascal. The correct answer is Pascal. Radar systems use which of the following waves? A. Ultrasonic, B. Radio, C. Nuclear, D. Electronic. The correct answer is radio. Which of the following is a part of the tail assembly of an aircraft? A. Spoilers, B. Edge flaps, C. Slats, D. Stabilizer. The correct answer is stabilizer. Static pressure is measured from the A. Static port, B. Static scale, C. Pitot scale, D. Pitot tube. The correct answer is static port. Which of the following indicates an aircraft's rotation about its longitudinal axis? A. Turn indicator, B. Pitch indicator, C. Yaw indicator, D. Bank indicator. The correct answer is turn indicator. What will the ASI pointer read if both the Pitot tube and the static system are blocked? A. 0, B. Positive infinite, C. No reading, D. Negative infinite. The correct answer is 0. TS increases as altitude increases. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. The Airbus A380 is equipped with 3 engines. A. False, B. True, C. D. The correct answer is true.